I can relate to the desperation because when you are stuck in limerence, it is hell. It is hell. Okay, you guys, like I was stuck in an obsessive limerence loop for literally 5 months. And I swear to God, after I got out of it, it was almost like I was drowning the whole time and I just came up for air. That's how I described it to my friends because I was like, why is it that I can breathe now? Because I felt like I was underwater or something. I just did not feel like myself. I felt so out of my body, so ungrounded. And when I finally realized what was happening, I was like, oh my God, my entire life force energy was getting sucked out. And I desperately at the time needed help. I was like, I need help to get out of this. And what helped me at the time was really focusing deep on my inner child work and sacral chakra healing. So really getting to the center of your worthiness and the center of your capacity to receive love, to give love, and to feel safe and secure within yourself. And so the only way that you can get to the other side is to do the deep inner work to make your body your own safe space. That's essentially the simplest way that I can describe sacral chakra work and also inner child work and really nervous system work, right? Because at the end of it, you're teaching your body that you don't have to look for safety or validation or love outside of you, that you can actually create all of this within yourself. And it's simpler than you think it is, but it does require grit, resilience, consistency, and it requires you showing up for yourself every single day. Like today, I did a Joe Dispenza meditation. I'm reading this book right now. By the way, you can join my book club if you want. We're reading this together. But I did one of the meditations from this book, and oh my God, it was so hard to come back to the present moment. I like how Joe Dispenza calls it laboring for the present moment because that's exactly what you have to do. You are rewiring years of conditioning. Like imagine that you have created this need to look for external validation and look for love outside of you. Like you have created this from childhood, and this has come about through repetition, right? Like this is you teaching yourself, it is safer to be outside of me. It is safer to get love outside of me. And you were consistent with this because that's how these nervous system responses are created in the first place. Like it is created through repetition. And so for you to heal it, it's also going to take repetition. It's not going to take one meditation. It's not going to take one EFT tapping session, but trust me and trust the process. When you do this consistently, like one EFT tapping session is going to shift you 1,000%. 21 EFT tapping sessions, like if you do it consistently every day and you get specifically to your root, it is going to change you permanently. And I share my step-by-step process in my sacral chakra healing course. And I also have a module all about creating your own EFT tapping scripts because I understand that healing is personal. Like you have to be specific to your own beliefs and doubts and fears. And honestly, it's not difficult to create your own EFT tapping sessions. Like it really just takes you being raw and honest and vulnerable with yourself. The more that you can sit with yourself, the more that you can teach your body that it is safe to be here. It is safe to be me. I can handle all of this discomfort. I can handle all of these feelings that are coming up. The more that you can sit with yourself and remind yourself and your body that is how you're going to heal. So if you need help, check out the workshop linked in my profile. I promise you that will be the last program that you ever do when it comes to healing your anxious attachment style and your unworthiness wound, because everything you need, the step-by-step process is in there. Like you're gonna learn why you keep losing yourself. You're going to do a lot of EFT tapping. You're going to do a lot of energy and sacral chakra healing. There's meditations, there are ebooks, there's breath work, like everything you need. Like that is the entire formula of how I have learned to find security within myself. And now I don't look for it anywhere else outside. And I definitely don't look for it in men, you guys. But trust, I went through that and it was hell. So I feel you.